Do you want to see the continuous live streaming of your Grandstream VDP on indoor monitor? Hello and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. So in this video I am having GDS3726 and GSC3574 indoor monitor screen. So I'm going to show you how you can stream the live. So navigate to monitor option and click on the RTSP option. Enable RTSP and select the RTSP authentication method as basic. Then enter the username and the password which will be used in monitor. So you can see the password. Same we will configure in indoor monitor. And similarly you have to set the bit rate to 1024 in both the streams. Otherwise it will not play on the screen. So set the bit rate and save the settings. Now in the indoor monitor screen, click on monitor and select the IPC option. Over here give the device name and the connection type should be RTSP UDP. And now entering the RTSP URL, so you have to follow the same format. So RTSP : the IP address of GDS and the port number :554/0. So it has two streams, primary and secondary. So 0 is for primary and 4 is for secondary streaming. So I'll show you first with the 0 and enter the username and the password which we have configured on GDS. So we have configured. Now I will show you from indoor monitor screen. So click on monitor, choose the second option IP camera. So you can see the preview is there. Now click on the play button. So we can see live streaming on the screen and it will be continuous. Now I will show you the secondary stream. So just change it to /4. So we have set already bit rate 1024 and we have configured the URL. Now see the video on monitor. So this is the secondary stream and we can reduce the resolution and the bit rate according to the requirement. So we have seen the RTSP URL. Similarly, you can add multiple cameras, IP camera, and you can stream them if they support RTSP streaming. We can create the desktop shortcut settings. Here we have to choose RTSP UDP, give the name main.vdp and select the URL RTSP : IP address of the GDS :554 and /4 or 0 and then enter the username and password. So we are entering the same password. And so now to see the shortcut, so on the second screen we have shortcut setting and just click, we can see the live streaming. So this way you can stream live continuously of your VDP and the camera. So if you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe the channel.